Excuse me.
Yes? How can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for the City Art Museum. Could you tell me how to get there?
Of course. It's not very far from here.
That's good to hear. I don't know this area very well.
No problem. Go straight along this street for about 5 minutes.
Okay, go straight for 5 minutes.
Then you'll come to a large traffic light. Turn left there.
Turn left at the traffic light.
That's right. After you turn left, walk 2 more blocks.
2 blocks. Got it.
You'll see a small park on your right.
A small park on the right.
Yes, the museum is just across from the park. It's a large white building with glass windows.
That sounds easy to find.
It is. There's also a big sign that says City Art Museum.
Great. How long does it take to get there?
About 10 minutes if you walk.
That's not bad. Can I also take a bus?
Yes. Bus number 12 stops right in front of the museum.
Where can I catch the bus?
The bus stop is just behind you, across the street.
Oh, I didn't see it. Thank you.
You're welcome. The next bus should arrive in about 5 minutes.
I think I'll walk instead. The weather is beautiful today.
Good idea. It's a nice walk.
By the way, is the museum open today?
Yes, I believe it opens from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Perfect. I really want to see the new art exhibition.
I've been there before. It's a great museum. I think you'll enjoy it.
That sounds exciting.
If you have time, there's also a small cafe inside the museum.
Really? Maybe I'll have a coffee after I finish looking around.
That's a good plan.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your visit.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Welcome to First City Bank. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I need some help with my bank account.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I can't use my debit card. It doesn't work when I try to pay at stores.
I'm sorry to hear that. May I see your debit card and your ID, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I check your account.
Sure.
Thank you for waiting. It looks like your card was temporarily blocked because of several incorrect PIN attempts.
Oh, I think I entered the wrong PIN yesterday.
That happens sometimes. Don't worry.
Can you help me use my card again?
Yes, I can unblock your card. For security, I'll ask you a few questions first.
Okay.
Can you tell me your full name and your date of birth?
My name is Olivia Carter, and my birthday is June 18, 2005.
Thank you. Can you also confirm your phone number?
Yes, it's 555-238-7419.
Perfect. Everything matches our records.
That's good.
Your card is now active again. The next time you use it, please enter the correct PIN.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Would you like to change your PIN today? It can make it easier to remember.
Yes, I'd like to change it.
No problem. Please use this keypad to enter your new PIN.
Okay, I'm done.
Excellent. Your new PIN has been saved successfully.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yes, one more question. Can I check my account balance on my phone?
Yes, you can. Do you already have our mobile banking app?
No, I don't.
I can help you install it. After you sign in, you can check your balance, transfer money, and see your recent transactions.
That sounds very useful.
It only takes a few minutes to set up.
Wonderful. Let's do that.
Great. Please follow these steps and I'll help you.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
It's my pleasure. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hi, Olivia. It's so nice to see you.
Hi, Ethan. Thanks for inviting me over.
You're welcome. Come in, please.
Thank you. Wow, your house is really cozy.
Thanks. My family moved here about 6 months ago.
I like your living room. It's very bright.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. A glass of orange juice would be great.
Sure. Please have a seat. I'll be right back.
Thanks.
Here you are.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
So, how have you been?
I've been doing well. College keeps me busy, but I'm enjoying my classes.
That's good to hear. What are you studying this semester?
I'm taking English, history, and computer science. What about you?
I'm studying business. I also joined the basketball club.
Really? That sounds fun. How often do you practice?
We practice every Tuesday and Thursday after class.
That's great. I usually go for a walk after school, but I'd like to try a new activity.
You should come and watch one of our games sometime.
I'd love to. Just let me know when.
I will. By the way, would you like to see my new guitar?
Of course. I didn't know you could play the guitar.
I started learning a few months ago. I'm still a beginner.
That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere.
Let me play a short song for you.
Sure. I'd love to listen. That was really nice. You're improving.
Thanks. I practice a little every day.
Practice really makes a difference.
It does. Would you like to play a board game before you go home?
That sounds like fun. What's your favorite game?
I like playing chess, but we can also play a card game if you prefer.
Let's play a card game. I'm not very good at chess.
No problem. I'll get the cards.
I had a wonderful time today. Thanks for inviting me.
You're always welcome. We should do this again soon.
Definitely. Maybe next time you can come to my house.
I'd like that. Just tell me when.
I will. Thanks again. See you soon.
See ya. Have a safe trip home.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Good afternoon. Where would you like to go?
Hi. I want to go to the City Art Museum, please.
Certainly. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Sure. Thank you.
Is this your first time visiting the museum?
Yes, it is. I've heard it's a wonderful place.
It is. Many tourists and local people visit it every week.
That's nice. How long will it take to get there?
It should take about 15 minutes, depending on traffic.
That's fine. I'm not in a hurry.
Great. The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it is. It's a perfect day to visit a museum.
I agree. Are you visiting the city?
Yes. I'm here for a few days with my family.
I hope you're enjoying your trip.
I am. Everyone has been very friendly.
I'm glad to hear that.
Are there any other interesting places near the museum?
Yes, there's a beautiful park, a history museum, and a shopping street nearby.
That sounds great. Maybe I'll visit the park after the museum.
That's a good idea. The park is only a 5-minute walk away.
Wonderful. Thank you for the suggestion.
You're welcome. We're almost there.
Great. How much is the fare?
It's $18, please.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. We accept both cards and cash.
Perfect. I'll pay by card.
Please tap your card on the payment machine.
Done.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. Keep the receipt, please. I don't need it.
No problem.
Thank you for the safe ride and for your helpful advice.
It was my pleasure. Enjoy your visit to the museum.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, not at all.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you waiting for the 10:30 train too?
Yes, I am. I'm going to River City to visit my cousin.
That's nice. I'm going there for a business meeting.
Have you been there before?
Yes, many times. It's a beautiful city.
Really? This is my first visit.
I'm sure you'll like it. There are many parks, restaurants, and museums.
That sounds wonderful. Do you have any favorite places there?
Yes. I like walking by the river in the evening. The view is very beautiful.
I'll definitely check it out.
How long will you stay?
I'll stay for 3 days. My cousin is going to show me around the city.
That sounds like fun.
I hope so. What do you do for work?
I work for a computer company. I travel quite often.
That must be interesting.
It is, but sometimes I miss being at home.
I understand. Traveling can be tiring.
Attention passengers. The 10:30 train to River City is delayed by 10 minutes. We apologize for the inconvenience.
Oh, it's delayed.
Yes, but only for 10 minutes. That's not too bad.
You're right. At least we don't have to wait too long.
Exactly.
By the way, do you know which platform the train will arrive at?
Yes, it will arrive at platform 4. You can see the sign over there.
Oh, thank you. I wasn't sure.
No problem.
Do you usually travel by train?
Yes, I think it's more relaxing than driving.
I agree. I like looking out the window during the trip.
Me too. The scenery is always beautiful.
The train to River City is now arriving at platform 4.
That's our train.
Great. Thanks for talking with me while we waited.
You're welcome. It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Have a safe trip.
You too. Enjoy your visit to River City.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.